Lose weight without starvation. Everyone at one point in his or her life needs or wants to lose weight. Whether it is for health reason or just to feel better about you, deciding on a weight loss plan is not as easy as it sounds. There are literally thousands of plans and products on the market today designed to help the overweight shed unwanted pounds. One such plan is the low-carb diet plan. On this plan, carbohydrate intake is limited to a few grams per day. By limiting breads and pastas, the body uses the fat that's stored and there the dieter starts to lose weight within weeks. Some of the foods that should be avoided when on a low-carb diet are candy, donuts, cakes and pastries. Anything containing white flour such as bread, rolls, bagels, pasta and white rice should also be avoided. Although this may seem like a lot of choices to give up, all of these foods are very high in carbohydrates. This is particularly dangerous for those suffering from diabetes. Health experts theorize that a high carbohydrate diet could raise their blood sugar levels to life-threatening levels. There are good carbohydrate choices. Meat is naturally low in carbohydrates. Liver is the exception to this rule. Eggs, poultry, fish, shellfish are good menu choices. They are easy to prepare and are full of vitamins. Green vegetables that are low starch include broccoli, asparagus, spinach, salad vegetables, cauliflower, green beans, Brussels sprouts and celery are also good choice foods that complement any meal. There are so many good choice foods to choose from, and so many ways to prepare them that the bad choice foods will not be missed when on a low-carb diet. Fiber is another essential part of dieting. Fiber helps the body in many different ways. When you do not get enough fiber, it defeats the purpose of a diet. Some of the health benefits that come from a low-carb diet are lower insulin levels and stabilized blood sugar, which is a great health benefit to diabetics. Lower blood pressure, lower cholesterol, more energy, and perhaps the most important reason for dieting, keeping the weight off. Unlike other diets, the low-carb diet is safe for everyone. There are no side effects from being on this diet as there are not any food limit restrictions for a low-carb dieter. There are so many menu choices that a different meal can be prepared every day and the dieter would not have the same meal twice. For someone who has made a serious commitment to lose weight, a low-carb lifestyle should be seriously considered. Holiday meals can be prepared following low-carb diet recipes that are easy, elegant, and very tasty. With all of the sites on the internet dedicated to low-carb cooking, there is no reason to fear dieting any longer. Gone are the days when dieters had to starve themselves and suffer the pains of hunger all for the sake of losing weight. The low-carb offer a healthy alternative to dieting.